Jakarta Composite Index closed 0.7% higher as currently index is in the time to buy pace. It was due to the Jakarta Composite Index valuation is relatively cheap when compared to average Asian stock market. The price-earning ratio of index is currently 14.34 times, while the price-earning ratio of Malaysian Stock Exchange has reached 16 times. The decline in valuation was due to various factors. First, it was due to sector rotation because the commodity boom had begun to fade. Coal price is currently strengthening 0.51% to $176 per ton. Previously, coal price in September was above $450 per ton. The stock market was also hit by market worries because the risks of global financial stability increased amidst the deepening banking crisis. But market was in positive territory because First Citizen Bank shares will buy Silicon Valley Bank deposit and loans just over 2 weeks after the biggest U.S. banking collapse since the global financial crisis. The deal includes the purchase of $72 billion of FCB assets and discount of $16 billion, but around $90 billion in securities and other assets will remain for disposition by FDIC. The deal comes after the regulator transferred all SVB deposits and assets into a new bridge bank earlier this month in an effort to protect depositors of the failed lender. While German Chancellor Olaf Scholz said Europe's banking system is stable and solid, Chancellor Scholz said that the EU had been making the right decisions for years by imposing clear rules. Scholz also said there was no reason to be concerned over Deutsche Bank, Germany's largest lender. In line with index movement, rupiah also gained 0.4% to 15,085. Now, let's move on to the top losers and top gainers of the day. The top losers were Indo Oil Perkasa, Widodo Makmur Perkasa, and Jasa Berdikari Logistik. Meanwhile, the top gainers of the day were Chamstar Indonesia, MD Pictures, and Sapta Usaha Gemilang Indah. Next, let's take a look to commodity prices. WTI crude oil price was up 0.16%. and Brent price decreased 0.08%. Oil prices will continue drawing support from indications of recovering Chinese demand. China's crude oil imports are expected to rise 6.2% to 540 million tons in 2023. On the other hand, gold price rose 0.06% as markets are pricing in a 61% change of the Fed's standing pat on interest rates in its May meeting. And tomorrow, index expected in the range of 6,654 until 6,774, while rupiah will be moved between 15,100 until 15,200. I am Jessica, reporting for MGM.